The length of the second hand, which we will be using as radius, is given to be 0.15 meter, and time period of the second hand is 1 minute, because it takes 1 minute for the second hand to make a complete round, which is equal to 60 seconds. Now, centripetal acceleration or radial acceleration is 4 pi square r over t square. So if you want to know how we came up with this equation, remember that velocity of the second hand, or the tangential velocity of the tip of the second hand, is equal to the path traveled by the tip over the time